So in today's video, you'll learn how to see which apps are draining your battery on your OnePlus 13. So the first step is to open the Settings app. And then under Settings, you want to scroll and select Battery. And then under Battery, you want to come to this section labeled Battery Usage. So by default, it gives you the battery usage for the last 24 hours. And then you can scroll even further down until you see battery usage by app, and then it will give you all the apps and the percentage of battery that they've been using since your last charge. So currently, the system launcher and camera have been using the most battery since my last charge. You can even look at this table here, and it will tell you charging. This is when I charged my phone. This is the usage, and then you can even see here it says screen on since last charge, which was 1 hour and 54 minutes, and then used since last charge, which is 2 hours and 30 minutes. If you want to look at an even longer statistics, then you want to tap on this last 24 hours, then select last 7 days. Then you can see your battery usage from the last 7 days, and again you can see how much battery that all your apps have been draining when you scroll down and look at this list right here. And so that's how you can see which apps are draining your battery on your OnePlus 13. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.